Probably just happy to have another trophy in his bag. I don't know. He doesn't look happy. Hello, sad boy. Remember me? We used to. We, everybody, yeah, I got it.